Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I have here a bunch of bananas and I'm going to slice them and cook like banana cubes. I will only use 3 ingredients: bananas, brown sugar, and oil. This is a delicious and healthy kind of banana. This is called saba in the Philippines. And we eat this kind of bananas after cooking. So there are several ways of cooking this kind of bananas. So I will slice these bananas first into thin slices. Do you know that bananas are a good source of essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and fiber? These nutrients support overall health and well-being. The high potassium content in bananas helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. Okay, I have done slicing all the bananas and it's time to cook. So I have here my wok and I have to place coconut oil. Coconut oil is a very good kind of oil. And my brown sugar is now ready. When the oil is already hot, then it's time to fry the bananas. This is a very easy recipe. And this recipe, once you're done, this is very tasty and it's good as dessert or snacks. So when frying, we just have to drizzle with a little brown sugar. We don't have to put more sugar. And then from time to time, we have to flip to make sure that all the sides are cooked. Bananas are rich in fiber or soluble fiber called pectin, which can help regulate bowel movements, reduce constipation, and promote a healthy digestive system. So we just finished cooking the first batch of bananas. Look, it looks so delicious. It's a little sweet and you will really enjoy this snack. Try this recipe. It's very easy and delicious. Thank you for watching.